Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to battery. From here go to battery protection. Now just tap here to turn on battery protection. Now here you can see three options of battery protection: basic, adaptive and maximum. And you have to select maximum from here to protect your battery. Now you may ask, how does it protect the battery? When your battery goes above 80%, it's very stressful for your battery. And also when your battery goes below 20%, that is also harmful situation for your battery. Now if you want to get a longer battery life, don't charge it above 80% and don't let the charge fall below 20%. So if you enable this option and then select maximum, then your phone will stop charging at 80%, which will protect your battery. And that way your battery will last a long time. And that is how you can protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.